The OODA Loop, a concept developed by Colonel John Boyd, a United States Air Force fighter pilot and military strategist, has transcended its military origins to become a powerful framework for decision making in a wide range of fields. Originally conceived for air combat, this model emphasizes the importance of speed and adaptability in dynamic and uncertain environments. By understanding and applying the OODA loop, individuals and organizations can improve their decision making processes and gain a competitive edge. Let us understand the OODA loop. The OODA loop is a four-stage cyclical process. First is observe. This involves gathering information from all available sources, your senses, data streams, reports, intelligence, among others. It's about taking in the raw data of the situation. The second is orient. This is where you make sense of the observed information. You filter, analyze, and interpret the data within your existing mental models and understanding of the world. This stage is crucial for developing situational awareness. The third is decide. Based on your orientation, you choose a course of action. This is the point where you select the best option from the available alternatives. The fourth is act. You implement your decision. This involves putting your plan into action and executing the chosen closure. The loop then begins anew with observation of the results of your action, leading to reorientation, a new decision, and further action. This continuous cycle allows for adaptation and learning in response to a changing environment. Why is the OODA loop relevant in decision making? The OODA loop's relevance stems from its focus on speed and adaptability, two critical factors in today's fast-paced and complex world. Here's why it's so valuable. The first reason is enhancing situational awareness. The OODA loop emphasizes continuous observation and orientation, enabling you to develop a deep understanding of your environment and the factors influencing it. This heightened awareness allows you to anticipate changes and react more effectively. The second reason is improving responsiveness. By cycling through the OODA loop faster than your competitors or adversaries, you can gain a decisive advantage. Faster OODA loops enable quicker adaptation to changing circumstances, allowing you to seize opportunities as well as mitigate threats more effectively. The next reason is facilitating learning and adaptation. The cyclical nature of the OODA loop promotes continuous learning. Each cycle provides an opportunity to observe the outcomes of your actions, refine your understanding, and improve your decision making in the future. Overcoming cognitive biases is the next element. The orientation phase encourages critical thinking and challenges assumptions, helping to mitigate the impact of cognitive biases that can lead to poor decisions. The next reason is promoting agility. In today's volatile and uncertain environments, agility is essential. The OODA loop provides a framework for remaining flexible and responsive to unexpected events. Let us understand now the applications of the OODA loop. While initially developed for military combat, the OODA loop has found applications in various fields. First is business. In the business world, the OODA loop can help companies stay ahead of the competition by enabling them to quickly adapt to market changes, customer needs, and emerging technologies. It's particularly valuable in industries characterized by rapid innovation as well as disruption. The next is crisis management. The OODA loop can be crucial in effectively managing crisis. It helps organizations quickly assess the situation, develop a response plan, and adapt their strategies as the situation evolves. Personal development comes next. On a personal level, the OODA loop can help individuals improve their decision making in everyday life. By consciously cycling through the loop, we can become even more aware of our surroundings, make better choices, and react more effectively to challenges. The next dimension is negotiation and conflict resolution. Understanding the OODA loop can provide insights into the decision making processes of others. This can be valuable in negotiations and conflict resolution, allowing you to anticipate their actions and respond strategically. Now, how do we implement the OODA loop? To effectively implement the OODA loop, consider these key points. The first is cultivate situational awareness. Develop your observation skills and actively seek information from diverse sources. The next is challenge assumptions. Don't rely solely on your existing mental models. Be open to new information and perspectives. Streamline decision making comes next. Develop clear decision making criteria as well as processes to accelerate the decide phase. Promote action is the next element. Encourage a culture of action and experimentation. Don't get bogged down in analysis paralysis. Embrace feedbacks is next. Continuously monitor the outcomes of your actions and use feedback to refine your understanding as well as improve future decisions. Now let us understand what are the limitations of the OODA loop. While a valuable tool, the OODA loop has some limitations. The first is simplicity versus complexity. The model can oversimplify complex situations where multiple factors are at play. Subjectivity in orientation is the next limitation. The orient stage is inherently subjective and influenced by individual biases as well as experiences. Difficulty in the fast-paced environments is next. In extremely fast-moving situations, it can be challenging to complete the loop quickly enough to maintain an advantage. To conclude, the OODA loop provides a valuable framework for understanding and improving decision making in dynamic environments. By emphasizing speed, adaptability, and continuous learning, it empowers individuals and organizations to navigate complexity, seize opportunities, and achieve their goals. While not a magic formula, the OODA loop offers a powerful approach to enhance decision making in a constant world of change. Thank you very much for your time.